Let's learn phonics.
Amazing!
Phonics help us to read. Let's start. A says ah, ah, ah. B says ba, ba, ba. C says k, k, k. D says da, da, da. E says eh, eh, eh. F says f, f, f. G says g, g, g. H says h, h, h. I says I, I, I. J says j, j, j. K says k, k, k. L says l, l, l. M says N says n, n, n. O says o, o, o. P says p, p, p. Q says qua, qua, qua. R says r, r, r. S says sh, sh, sh. T says t, t, t. U says a, a. V says v, v, v. W says w, w, w. X says x, x, x. Y says y, y, y. Z says z, z, z. Well done.
Wow!
Start learning. Have fun with my video.
Amazing!